Welcome to Shadow Compiler, where we unveil what happens behind the scenes in programming. Do you know what really happens when you press run? You've written your code, you click run, and within seconds your program is alive. But what actually happened in that tiny fraction of time? Today, we are going behind the scenes into the shadow world of your compiler. Every time you run a program, your code goes through a secret 4-step pipeline. Step 1, preprocessing. Step 2, compilation. Step 3, linking. Step 4, execution. Let's lift the curtain on each stage. First, preprocessing. This is like cleaning up your workspace before you start building. The compiler removes comments, handles special commands like #include and #define, and gets your code ready for the real transformation. Next, compilation. Here, your pre-processed code is translated into assembly language, a special low-level language your computer understands better. The compiler also checks for syntax errors because even a missing semicolon can bring the process to a halt. Then comes linking. Think of this as gathering all the pieces you need before starting the machine. The linker combines your compiled code with external libraries, resolves missing pieces, and produces one single executable file, which is your program. Finally, execution. Your CPU loads the program into memory and begins reading instructions line by line. And just like that, your program comes to life, showing the output you asked for. If that feels abstract, think of it like cooking a dish. The recipe is your source code, preparation is chopping, washing is pre-processing, cooking is compilation, plating is linking, and eating, that's execution, the part you actually enjoy. And now, you know, every time you hit run, an entire invisible assembly line comes alive in the shadows. Next time, we'll see how compilers secretly optimize your code to make it faster than you ever imagined. Until then, keep coding and keep exploring the shadows. Thank you.